Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the final video of my living room makeover transformation series. I am so stoked with how it turned out. It honestly looks amazing and better than I thought that it would, if I'm being honest. So I cannot wait for you to see it. Today's video, we're just gonna be finishing everything up, styling. I'm gonna change some decor pieces out. I'm also gonna be organizing the cabinets behind me, cleaning. We're doing all the things, getting everything ready and putting all of those little finishing touches on. I cannot wait for you to see the final reveal. Hopefully you get some styling tips because we went ahead and styled the floating shelves behind me. They turned out so good. Not to spoil it or anything. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's just get right into the reveal. So I thought I would include a little before clip so you can see what we're working with. This is not the before, if that makes sense. Like this is like after we did all the built-ins and the lime wash and stuff. So this is when we are starting to decorate. So the first thing that we're doing is changing out this rug. I love this rug. It's like an indoor-outdoor rug. And I don't know if I love it. I mean, it's just like an ivory color, and I have 4 animals and 2 kids, and it doesn't work out. There's like stains everywhere. You can see all the things, so we gotta change it out. I also like think that after a certain amount of time, your rug expires, you know? I don't know if you guys agree with me, but like I swear, like there's an expiration date for rugs. Like they get crusty, so you gotta change it out. So we're switching it out to a new, darker, fresh one. I cannot wait for you guys to see it.
Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart.
So we let the rug sit overnight so we could get all of the creases out, and yeah, this is what she's looking like. What do you guys think? I really like this rug. It's pretty soft, it was very affordable, and it's also like a very interesting color. Like if you look at it from some angles it's light, and then from some angles it's dark, and then like from this angle it looks dark on the outside and then light in the middle, and it hides dirt so well, like you can't see anything. There's some touches of beige in there, some touches of gray, and I think this really ties the whole living room together, and I think it fits perfectly. I love the way it looks.
Part of this world, I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes.
Okay, so now I'm just organizing the kids' toys. I'm using these 11 by 11 storage bins because our cabinet is actually only 12 inches deep. So I had to make sure I got like small storage bins, and good thing I got the 11 inch because they barely fit, but they fit like absolutely perfectly. I can't have anything overflowing in them though, so I have to choose their toys carefully, and then the rest I'm just bringing upstairs to our extra toy closet.
Oh, oh.
And then I also decided to put extra diapers and wipes for my daughter Rainy in this little cabinet. I didn't know what else to put in there, and I had this container storage bin that fit perfectly in these small little cabinets. So I just put some extra diapers and wipes so we can have some on hand. They used to be like out in the open, and so now we get to hide that, and it looks so much better. We also decided to switch out our coffee table for this nice comfy ottoman. I love the way that it looks. I really think that it like cozies up the space so much more than the coffee table. Plus the coffee table was just getting like a little bit crusty. It was time to move on from her. And yeah, this ottoman is just so much safer for my kids too. And so all around, I just think it was the better choice.
We can't always leave this place and go where no one knows our names. Pack your bags. We never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me. We could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do.
Okay, so now I'm just decorating with literally all of the pillows that I have left in my house. I had to use like 4 for the bench seat that we just made. So yeah, so I just kind of used what I had. I really didn't want to go out and buy like summer pillows because we're transitioning into fall and I'm so excited. Speaking of fall, I do have some decorating videos and some decor videos coming up very soon on my channel, and it has all the cozy fall vibes. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get decorating this space for fall. I wanted to do something like that's more of a neutral theme this year, and I was so tempted to actually decorate like these floating shelves for fall and decorate in this video for fall, but I wanted to really make another video that was like way more in depth of a whole like fall decorate with me. So yeah, that will be coming soon on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.
In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble for better.
Okay, and now we are decorating the floating shelves. This is the moment that we've all been waiting for, I feel like. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never decorated a floating shelf before, so this was new to me. I included a lot of trial and error clips because that's literally like how you have to decorate a shelf. Like I just put things in places, and if I didn't like it, then I changed it until I thought it looked good. And that is basically how I decorate. You'll see in the video that there's just so many things that always get changed around. And that's, I think, how you have to do it. Like you have to see all of your options before you actually decide. So yeah, if you are having struggling to know where to put things, just start, girl. Just start throwing them places, and then it will all just come to you. For the mantle, I just got that little dough bowl and I'm making a floral arrangement. I tried to use that fall like pampas grass stem, but I wasn't feeling it. It didn't look very good to me. So I just used some eucalyptus and baby's breath, and I think it turned out really well. I will say it looks a little bit small for the mantle, so I did order a longer size in the dough bowl, but overall I think it works for now and it looks good. I'm replacing this lamp that was on this table with some greenery. The lamp was broken and it was just a hazard to my children, so we replaced that. We never even used it anyway, so not a big deal. Now I'm just adding some finishing touches, and then I looked back and I realized like something was missing. So I went ahead and added some pulls, cabinet pulls to the cabinets, and let me tell you, this made the biggest difference. I swear it just put the finishing touch on everything. So yeah, we're just gonna install these real quick and then we will get to the final reveal. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I promise you we are almost there, but I just wanted to show a before clip. This is what she looked like before all of the built-ins, before we painted, before all of the decor. Very just cold, and it just was not very inviting. The black made it look so much smaller, and here is what she looks like now. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this whole transformation series. If you missed the first two videos, it was basically about doing the lime wash on the walls and doing all of the built-ins. I go in depth, like a step-by-step tutorial on how we did everything. So make sure you check those out. I'll go ahead and link those down below in the description box. Thank you for sticking around. If you have made it this far, let me know what you think in the comments and if I should change anything, if I should take anything out, replace anything, let me know what you think. And yeah, we will see you in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.